Good job, Sharday. Just right now, a few minutes ago, she finally figured out how to get those Cheerios into her mouth without mostly getting thumb. She's eaten about 2 handfuls, so we'll see if she'll actually demonstrate here. There you go, good girl. Crunch and muncha. She doesn't seem to be all that pleased with herself, but she also, about half an hour ago, started playing peekaboo. She was the peekabooer. That's the first time she ever did that. She was crouching down next to that XT play yard, popping her head back up, saying, "Ah! Huh? Is that what you did? Ah!" One right after the other, sometimes 2 at a time. Gotta pick a good one. Did you get it?
Wow.
Sometimes you just need a little help, huh? Yum yum. Mmm, ha, yum yum.